Hello everybody, today I want to present you a piece of land located in San Marcos La Laguna, not waterfront, with views close to center, so follow me. Hello everybody, I'm Armand Boissy, your real estate agent in Guatemala, Lake Atitlan. I'm specialized in relocation, investment, or if you want to discover this country as well, we have vacation rentals, so keep watching. This property is located 5-minute walk from the center of San Marcos La Laguna, but in an area which is residential. It has a 2-meter access from the main street and it's almost 1,000 square meters. This is the view looking down, and this is the view to the volcano. It's also like 100 meters from the first pier of San Marcos La Laguna. At the bottom, there is lots of trees, avocados, and bananas. It's also a layout have been drawn so you can see what can be fitted on the property. It's a house with different level and there's a great view. So it's a good spot for somebody who wants to be in San Marcos. Okay, remember to subscribe to the channel, like it, share it, and put a comment on the lower part. And keep watching for the future incoming videos. Thank you.